Hello dear students, today by this video I am going to explain about the some reaction with lime water. Okay, here I have taken lime and here I have taken 100 ml of water. Some requirement student I am telling you, because this experiment I am going to conduct about the well understanding of phenomena of carbon dioxide released by human body. Okay, so what will happen when carbon dioxide react with this calcium compound? Actually this calcium is calcium hydroxide when it will mix with water. So what I am going to do here, let's understand. Okay, you know already calcium hydroxide is a strong base. So already I have prepared this calcium hydroxide solution. What you have to do, I have taken the 2 beaker. In this beaker take 5 ml of water containing this calcium. So let's see the experiment and what is the result coming in front of us. Suppose here I have taken solution of this hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, students, when it will pass through the environmental air, see student, 10 ml I have transferred here, okay, in one test tube, again more another test tube. So I was talking, when the calcium hydroxide react with environmental air, then there will be no change, whereas when we will supply the carbon dioxide, means air from our mouth, the general phenomena will change of this solution. So see here I have taken 5 ml of solution. Then what we have to do, I am leaving this test tube in open area for the taking of general atmospheric air, and here this test tube I am transferring air from mouth. You can do this experiment in your lab. So finally what will happen, for saving time I have done here experiment same. See this one test tube in same arrangement. I am fixing this experiment here, students, and now see. So what is there, let's understand. This is the solution which left in the air environmental condition, and this one is solution I have transferred my carbon dioxide mouth air. So in that we can see the change. The solution with carbon dioxide released by human change into milky precipitate upside, okay, and the color is also something change, some differences with this one. You can comparison this solution and here this solution, okay. I have checked this one. Here we can see the precipitate, here also was there, but color is milky white. This is the result for you. Let's see one more. Suppose I have taken litmus paper in front of you. By this we can understand the acidic and basic condition. Here one is high acidic strong acid, and here strong base. So what I have done, okay, take this paper, okay, already it is basic solution, nothing will be changed. Suppose take this solution, okay, I am taking this solution, I am transferring here to see the calcium carbonate is acidic or basic. So it is a strong basic. You can see the green color of this litmus paper. So this is the experiment, short experiment, student, to understanding human body release carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide react with calcium hydroxide, it will change into calcium carbonate. It is actually form of a calcium carbonate. Okay students, this calcium carbonate actually form in the sea or ocean. So mostly calcium carbonate containing the bodies of shellfish and finfish you can observe, whereas various coral reef also you can observe, okay. Human body and human diet also required high amount of calcium carbonate, which is a strong base. Thank you students. Please see video and give comments, like and subscribe my channel.